Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. If you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time. You will see click on restart. After click on restart and enter phone pin. After restarting enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on, you will see enable fast wireless charging. After enable fast wireless charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, search software update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.